Welcome to TT's Corner. Today I am going to talk about a topic that I have seen over social media and I really don't like it. I am Jamaican. I am proud to be Jamaican. But sometimes some of my fellow Jamaicans are so toxic and they just can't find something good. They enjoy other people hurt and they just love mix up, and it's like them don't know when to quit, and them run with things without knowing the full 100. And I said that to say this. A couple days ago, a doctor from the DNA lab in Jamaica said an athlete and a entertainer in 2024, they both did DNA test on kids and found out the kids were not theirs. And to my surprise, these people are running around on the internet saying Usain both kids are jacket, and they put pictures of the kids on the internet. They remember the DNA lab person did not say who the athlete is, and for them to be putting those things on the internet with the children's pictures, that is so wrong and disgusting. So wrong, because they don't know who the athlete is and they're stressing about Usain Bolt. So all know I don't hear them talk about which entertainer them feel it is. But for Usain, for them to be putting up the kids' picture and say, oh, the children are jacket, that's not nice. But you see, all me, if I was Usain Bolt, I would try to get my attorney to find out who is the person who started that rumor. Yeah. And you see the money with SSL owe me, and that me a carry go court go sue for. Me know you not have it. If you can't pay me. But I that me would sue you for. And when me sue you, me I go make my attorney do them research. And if they own a house, when me win my case, me go put a lien on your house, so that you have to pay me rent for something where you the own. Because me I go use you as an example for let other people know, don't do that. Don't use my name and spread lies for clout. Yes, I don't want your house. If it's me like you saying, but I don't want your house. But I would end up disciplining you. I would discipline you. Yes, make you have to pay me rent for a property where you the own. And all that money I would give it to charity because I don't want it. But when I discipline you, others will get the message and think before them do or say anything. Yeah, you will be the deterrent for other people. And some of them on the internet are run up and down with the argument about the children not being his or whosoever. A lot of them people there give jacket or them themselves a jacket, because some of them mother give them a name because she did end up sleep with man and them they run train pan her. So she don't know how. Some of them mother they sleep with 4 men in a one night. So she don't know who. So there is some people who name Nelson, who last name should I be Reed. Some people name Thomas and them last name should I be King. Some people name Gray and them last name should I be Samuels. And some people name Austin, who for last name should I be Reed. So, with that said, before you end up I put up the baby picture and I talk about jacket and all them something there, you have to look on yourself in the mirror or you go to your mama and go ask your mama who on your papa. You have to out of order because nobody name wasn't mentioned. And you take it up on your head and I run with it. Or the man get jacket and him pitting them a jacket and all these things. You too out of my order, man. You too damn bright and out of order. Some of you do have no brought up, see. You wasn't brought up, you was dragged up by you half dead mama. You need to stop it, man. Jesus, man. Why the hell you end up come talk about the man get jacket? Look how much athletes Jamaican have. Look how much athletes Jamaican have. I want to choose to end up the picture of the man pitting them. And I talk about the man pitting them a jacket. You see it? You need to end up deal with them. Just find out who is the person who started. And when you end up cut him off at the knees, trust me, the rest will stop. Have a nice day.